We're Rachel and Austin, and we're traveling the USA. We travel with our dog Olympia, and she is living her best life. And today we are making a stormy drive across Florida.
Welcome to Florida, where it never rains, ever.
I thought this was a sunny state, and we have been in and out of tornado watches and tornado warnings. I'm ready to dip, but we got a couple days left here.
We got Tallahassee on deck.
Since this big storm came in, we found ourselves not in the Keys and instead in Tallahassee, where we're going to stop at the Capitol building because the dog likes the Capitol grass.
She has this thing where she has to check out all the Capitol grasses and make sure that they're up to par to be a Capitol grass.
We got turf. Come on. Let's go see if it's all turf. If you could just hurry up and take my photo, that would be great. Okay? Because I'm going to need you to come in on Saturday. Process those reports. How are you supposed to bring it when it's on the ground? It is lunchtime. We're getting some Cuban food along with orange slice, something. I don't know, I'm starving. Let's go.
It's called Orange Sunshine Cake. And just like that, another state, another city, another town. The dog is sleeping.
I don't know if this will be the end of Florida. We don't know what else we're going to do and how much it's going to rain.
We're done with Florida for right now. We'll be back when it's nice.
We'll be coming back to visit Miami and to visit the Keys, just not today.
Oh, I was gonna grab my sunglasses. My sunnies, dude.
Weird place, weird things, weird people.
Yeah, welcome to Florida.
Yeah, you're going to have to share the duck.